Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here's the social study of class 5 and today we are going to do some pages of workbook of social studies of unit number 2 math skills. So dear students, let's start our today's task. Open page number 15 of workbook and let's try to read the question. The three methods of showing scales on the map given below. Identify each and write its two main characteristics. Students, as we have already discussed about these scales while reading the textbook of page number 17 and 18, and if you want to take help, you can take help from your textbook page number 17 and 18. Let's try to identify. First of all, this map looks like graphic method, so you will write the name of this method. You will write here the graphic method and you can add little bit information about graphic method from page number 17 of textbook. Next one is try to identify this. It looks like a fractional method, so students, you will write the name of this method here, the fractional method, and you can add some information about fractional method from the textbook page number 18. And third one is, yes, it is verbal method, and you will write the name of verbal method and you will briefly explain it with the help of textbook page number 18. So student, after identifying these methods, turn out page number 16 of workbook. As you can see here, chapter number 2, using the scales. As you can see here, the map. Let's try to read the question here. In the map of Pakistan given above, the country capital symbol is star inside a circle, and the provincial capital symbol is dot under a circle. Write the name of the capital in the space next to the name of the country or province. Students, as you can see, the star inside a symbol shows the capital symbol. It means that it is a capital of any country. So the first one is Pakistan. So let's try to find out the capital of country Pakistan, and this one is star inside a circle. यानी एक सर्कल के अंदर जो स्टार है वो शो कर रहा है हमारे कैपिटल को. सो इस्लामाबाद इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ पाकिस्तान. इन दिस ब्लैंक you will write here Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. And next, as you read in the question, that dot inside a circle showing the capital symbol, provincial capital. So number 2 is Punjab. Let's try to find out the capital of Punjab. As you can see here, this one, dot inside a circle, this is Lahore and this is the capital of Punjab. And third one is Sindh. Let's find out the capital of Sindh. Students, as you can see here, dot inside a circle, this is showing the capital Karachi. So Karachi is the capital of Sindh. So students, next 4 and 6 you will done by yourself with the help of this map. Next, come towards the page number 17 of workbook. Yes, very interesting page. Here is maps crisscross puzzle. There are some clues across and down. यानी कुछ क्लूज अक्रॉस में हैं और कुछ क्लूज जो हैं वो डाउन में हैं. Number first is down. One is a map which shows a small area of land. Yes, as we have already briefly explained कि जो लार्ज स्मॉल स्केल मैप होता है मैप विच शोज स्मॉल एरिया, वो कौन सा मैप क्या होता है. लेट्स try to find out the, as you can see here, 1 and down. So we find here the block number 1. As you can see here, 1 is written in this block and you go down. Yes, and the map which shows a small area, जो स्मॉल एरिया दिखाता है वो कौन सा मैप होता है. डेफिनेटली लार्ज स्केल मैप एंड विद ए लार्ज डिटेल. स्मॉल एरिया दिखाता है, स्मॉल एरिया दिखाएगा लेकिन लार्ज डिटेल के साथ, लॉट ऑफ डिटेल के साथ. एज यू कैन सी हेयर, LARGE, large. Now you will spell out SCALEMAP, large scale map. Now try to find the next one. Across. It is larger on a large scale map and smaller on small scale map. This is number 2. Now you will try to find out the block number 2. As you can see here, block 2. This one is called SCALE and you will write in across form. Third is, it shows the purpose of the map. It also existed in across form. So let's try to find out the block which is existed in across form. Third one, as you can see here, the block number 3, and you will write this answer in across form. It shows the purpose of the map. जब भी हम एक मैप बनाते हैं तो उसके जो पर्पस शो करता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, टाइटल. You will spell out TITLE, title. Number 4 is, the earth was divided into 24 of these. The earth was divided into 24 of these. This one is 4. So let's try to find out the block number 4. As you can see here, block number 4, and this is down form. So you will write the answer of this in down form. So जो आपको 24 टाइम जोन्स के बारे में बताती है, अर्थ जो होती है वो उसको डिवाइड किया जाता है 24 टाइम जोन्स में. सो यू विल राइट द स्पेलिंग TIMEZONES. So students, some blocks you have done with the help of me, and next blocks you will do by yourself. Okay students, next turn out the page number 19. Here are some boxes, and we have already read about latitude and longitude in our previous lectures. So let's try to read the question. Draw lines to match the description either to latitude or longitude. यानी हमने इनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ, यानी बॉक्सेस में जो डिस्क्रिप्शन दी गई है उसके साथ लैटिट्यूड और लॉन्गिट्यूड को मैचिंग करनी है उसके साथ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज यू कैन सी हियर, इमेजिनरी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस. हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस कौन सी होती हैं, लैटिट्यूड की या लॉन्गिट्यूड की? यस, हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस लैटिट्यूड की होती हैं. सो यू विल मैच दिस ब्लॉक और मैच दिस बॉक्स विद लैटिट्यूड. नेक्स्ट वन, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड पैरेलल, यानी पैरेलल किसका नाम है, दूसरा नाम है लैटिट्यूड का. सो दीज लाइंस ऑफ लैटिट्यूड आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द पैरेलल्स. द इक्वेटर इज एट इट्स 0 डिग्री. यस, you will match it with latitude. So here, lines running in a north-south direction, you will match this box with longitude. And students, if you want to take help, and so you can take help from the textbook page number 21 and 22 while doing this page. Okay, I gave you the example. So next remaining boxes you will do by yourself. Okay students, This was our today's lecture, and try to make practice all these pages and have a nice day.